How many times have you had to show that property before selling it? Answer: too many. Stop wasting time showing the same property over and over. Win more business and stand out from the competition. It's time to give your clients what they deserve with a revolutionary new way to experience an open house. Think Google Maps Street View, but inside a property. A 3D open house from 360 Estates gives your clients a 24/7 virtual open house. This allows them to view every square foot of your listing in 3D, anytime, anywhere. Tours include interactive drop-down menus, highlighting key features and contact information within the viewing. This isn't the future of open houses, it's now the present. Would a personal pitch from you close the deal? Then go with a 360 agent tour and let us film you giving your personal walkthrough one time. You can then easily share your video with clients, giving them unlimited access. Clients can view any part of the property in a 360-degree 3D view on any device. Add aerial drone photography and videography to your listing, HD photos, a floor plan, even provide customized VR viewers, giving every client the option to immerse themselves in the experience. 360 Estates is your complete property marketing solution. One video shoot, endless showings, save time, more sales. 360 Estates, your property brought to life. Contact us to schedule your shoot today.